Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Virgos. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, Virgos. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever, so you can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies today, Virgos. So we have Five of Swords, the Fool in reverse, and Eight of Wands in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are facing a lot of arguments or stressful circumstances, conflicts in your circumstances, a lot of competition in work, and you need to be really focused, concentrated on what you're doing, because otherwise it will lead you into difficult circumstances. So you are working hard, trying to do the best, to be the best today in your work or in your personal life, facing a lot of struggles today. And maybe because of your absence due to illness or some reason from work, or it may be about this person you love, maybe you are unable to concentrate or focus on this relationship, maybe spend time with them, maybe you have a lot on your shoulders, lot of burdens on your shoulders. That may be the reason. Even in this relationship, maybe you are unable to meet this person you love or spend time with them because you have a lot to do in your career, or you're focused on something. Maybe you have some illness, or there is someone ill you need to take care of from your family. So a lot of things are going on, and maybe this person you love, maybe they feel quite left out, or they feel that you are avoiding them or not trying to focus on this relationship. So they may have some doubts or jealousy on you, and maybe you yourself feel a lot sad, stressed, or guilty because you want to be with this person you love, you want to meet them, spend time with them, but you are unable to do it for some reason. Maybe it may be health reasons or too much burden in your work. So you are unable to be there in this relationship. That is what is making this taking this relationship into troubled waters today. So we will see what is the card for your relationship first. King of Wands. So maybe whatever troubles we were talking about, maybe that circumstance may resolve for you. And if you feel that it is your energy, maybe you feel that your person is not spending time with you, maybe they are not focused on you or this relationship, you need to understand that they are loyal and you can trust this person. And maybe this relationship will lead towards marriage, and this may be the love, and this is it, maybe the love of your life. And things will fall into place. Maybe this person has plans to propose to you, or maybe if that person you love, they feel that you are not focused on this relationship, maybe things will resolve, and maybe you have plans for marriage or a committed relationship. So there is a this is a favorable card for your relationship. So things are turning around, whatever you may see today in your life. So for your career, we picked one card. We will see what it is. It's Page of Cups. So in your career circumstances, there is a good news waiting for you. Something which you expected or which you were hoping for, wishing for. So that is the kind of news you are going to get in your life today. So a positive news is coming today for your Virgos. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, the all-encompassing hand. Such a beautiful card for you all today, guys. So with this card, the energy is that this is the hand of the divine that is reaching you today. And there is no limitation for the blessings it can bestow. And the troubles it can lift from you, and the tenderness it can communicate to you with that sacred touch. So all you need to do is allow that divine hand to reach you. Do not turn it away. Do not let your shame or mistakes or guilt or notions of independence keep you from accepting this blessing coming in your way in your life today. So this divine hand is here to wipe away the tears of the past. Maybe you are hurt, you are hurting, you are in a lot of pain, and this is a help coming to unravel the ties you have bound your hands with, preventing you from fully giving and receiving your worth. And this hand is here to help you. And the help this hand is going to give you is without limit. So you just need to accept this blessing coming in your life today, guys, for those who chose this card. And this oracle card also comes with a special message. Maybe you in your life, you are in a circumstance or in a situation and you feel that that circumstance is not resolving, or it is not, you are unable to solve the problems you are facing. And this oracle guidance comes with a reassurance that there is nothing beyond the reach of the divine hand of grace. So all can be solved and all can be resolved. So there is always a higher, better and a more beautiful outcome in your situation with that divine blessing. So that is what is the energy with this card, guys. So there is a blessing coming your way for those who chose this card, and divine help going to reach you today, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we will see what is the card. The day boy and the night girl. Balance. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your life, each and every one of us have that darkness and light in us, the good qualities and the bad ones. So, whatever it is, we need to find that balance. And we need to find that balance because only then we will be becoming that whole person. So sometimes we go through times when we are still or quiet, and we may walk unwatched. People may not see us. Sometimes there is light shining on us, bright light shining on us, bringing us into that radiant life. So we need to understand that this light and darkness is part of our life, and all the qualities we have, maybe some good qualities, bad qualities, whatever we have, that is what makes us our whole self. So we must embrace all those qualities, the masculine and feminine qualities within ourselves. And now is the time for us to work with our fears, whatever we have, and overcome it. And balance is needed for this true wholeness of our being. So we may have certain fears, certain inhibitions holding us back. Whatever it is, we must try to understand it and overcome it. And this card may also suggest that you are healing from a very bad childhood trauma, whatever you faced in your life, and there is a whole new world waiting for you. All you need to do is go out and reach out. That is what this card is about, and that is the reading with these cards, guys, for you all today. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.